In this video, we'll continue our discussion of vector fields by using GeoGebra to sketch a vector field. I just want to make sure you know how to do that. Here's a website, though, how to get to it if you need a hyperlink, or and I think in PDFs it doesn't really work, so you may have to copy and paste that. So I'm going to go ahead and go over to the website. That is not the website. Here's the website. So it'll look something like this. Give it a sec to load. And we're going to plug the function in, and they gave me each function, and you can see where they're at there. If you look above, you can see that it says vector field, and that's what it should look like. So I'm going to type in what they gave us. It was 2y minus x, and then down here I have 2y plus x. And I just push enter, and it's going to load it up. Oh, oops, I erased it. Okay, so let me type that back in. Keyboard's been kind of weird lately for my iPad. There we go. 2y plus x. There we go. Push enter. There's my vector field. If you'd like to do this in your homework, and I'd like you to sketch it by hand to get some kind of idea, and then you could do this. I'm just going to take it and screenshot it. You're more than welcome to do this in the homework if you're able to. So I'll save it to photos, and then I could, put it back in here, and that's my vector field. And then let's make sense out of it. Once it loads, I'm going to add this photo in here. Where'd it go? Took a lot of screenshots today. There we go. Here's the vector field. Let's go ahead and analyze it. Notice, I think we have, let's make it a little bigger. Forgive me. I'm trying to use my finger here, and it didn't really work. There we go. All right. Thanks, iPad. All right. So as you can tell, we can, if we get up to the corners, where's my pen? There we go. Up to these corners, it does get a little steeper. This one's kind of hard to analyze. This would be kind of difficult, besides putting a bunch in, x, y's, and n's, to get each point. It's kind of hard to see why things do what they do. One thing you could do is you could solve these like lines and look at it that way. So there's our vector field. These geometric sketches do help out quite a bit. Imagine trying to graph that thing and getting something realistic looking. We want to use technology. So get used to this GeoGebra on a test or something like that. I may have you sketch a little bit, but you wouldn't sketch to this magnitude. Obviously, you can't use computers on tests, so there would be some kind of matching or something like that to make up for the lack of accuracy, or not really even accuracy, it's precision of these things to see enough, as you could tell with our sketches at the beginning of this lesson.